Okay, good morning, children. Every day is a good morning for us, no? But I wonder how much you are learning at home. Try and learn, my girls. Don't waste your time, okay? So, when the school reopens again, I will teach you. I will teach you nicely again with the pictures. I'll show you the pictures. I will teach you. But don't waste your time. Sit down at home and learn. Now, I told you about food we eat and different kinds of food. I told you vegetables, leafy vegetables, fruits. I'll tell you something else. Food, no? From where do we get food? Tell me. Is food dropping from the sky every day? Morning idli, afternoon rice and sambar and curry, and evening something else. Again night something else. Is food being dropped from the sky? No. We get food through two ways. One is plants give us food. Plants. No, you'll be growing plants in your garden. Your grandmother grows plants in the garden, and then cucumbers, tomatoes, drumstick, potatoes. All these come from where? From plants. Okay? Then you have another kind of food. I didn't tell you, now I'm going to tell you. Eggs you like. How many of you like eggs? Those round godulu. You like, no? Eggs. Then meat. Meat everyone likes. Chicken. Chicken also you like. Prawns. Royalu. Prawns. You like. Then crabs. People. Crabs. You like all this. So all this kind of food. Eggs. Meat. Chicken. Fish. Yes, fish is very good for the body. Fish. Prawns. Crabs. And all these come from. Don't think animals don't give us any food. They'll give you a lot of food. They'll give you eggs. For example, hen lays 1 egg a day. Duck lays 1 egg a day. Lays means what to give. Hen gives you 1 egg one day. And then ducks give you 1 egg a day. Then you have meat. Chicken joints you like, no? Chicken biryani, mutton biryani, prawn biryani, egg biryani. Your mommy keeps making different kinds of biryanis with all this. You love. So, milk also comes from animals. Yes. You have seen they take out the milk from the buffalo. Isn't it? Goats give you milk, camels give you milk, but cows give you milk. But what happens? We only drink the milk of a buffalo or a cow. But even camel's milk is good, goat's milk, donkey's milk. There are so many animals which give us milk. Okay, then animals will give you what? All animals will give you eggs. Yes? And then meat. When you cut a hen, take away all the feathers and then you open the body of the hen. Inside you will find so many parts. That meat, a goat. When you cut the goat, all the parts of the goat people eat, isn't it? So you get meat, you get what? Chicken also. Then you get fish. Then you get prawns. And plus you get milk. And from milk I tell you what you can make. Plants give you what? Vegetables. They give us vegetables, and then they give us fruits. They give us leafy vegetables. And then they give you what? Pulses. And another thing is cereals. You eat pulses. Pulses we call them populu. Different kinds of populu. Say kandapappu. isn't it? And then that is in English you say red gram, green gram, Bengal gram, isn't it? All these are called topple, isn't it? You make dosas with the help of black gram. You make pesara dosas, pesara dosas, green gram, isn't it? Then mommy makes nice sunundas for you, no? Sunundas. Oh lovely, they are very good for body. Black gram again. Your sambar from Bengal, from red gram, isn't it? And then you have peas also. Peas means what? Batani. You like when you go in the trains and all, they sell you, know, those batanis, the mixture and all, they put the groundnuts. What are those groundnuts? Palli. Or you call them what? Another name? I'll tell you. Edchenagapappu. Yes. So all these, you get all these. So plants give you all this. And plants give you fruits also. Animals also, they don't give you less. They also have a lot to give you. Fish curry, biryani, mutton biryani, chicken biryani, prawn biryani, egg biryani. Who's giving you all this? From animals. Okay? Now you understood. You get food from plants and you get food from animals also. Okay? Now, what shall we do now? I told you milk. Here, milk, you get such a lot of things from milk. You milk curd. I told you buttermilk. Curd and buttermilk. Then cheese. Then butter. Then paneer. Then another delicious, all of us like ice cream, fruit salads. Understood? So now children, what you should do is, these are the food we get from plants and animals. Plants give us food, they are our friends. That's why you should not cut down the trees or pluck away or cut the flowers from the plants. Don't pluck the leaves. Don't pluck the leaves. Okay. Plants give us vegetables, pulses, fruits, cereals, leafy vegetables, so many things. Animals will give you eggs, meat, chicken, fish, prawns, milk. So these mostly you have on Sundays, no? Sundays all of you will stay at home, all of you remain at home, no school, no office, nothing. Daddy doesn't go out, you don't come to school, mommy doesn't go to office, so daddy goes and brings one big hen for you. Chicken curry miss and biryani miss. So these are the food you get from, food comes from plants and animals. Okay. Then what else? How many meals do you have a day? Tell me. Now shall I rub this? Now you understood. Plants give you what and animals give you what. Okay. So food is not being dropped from the sky. You know the kinds of food, and food comes from where? From plants and animals. Now you understood? Okay, now I am going to stop with this different kinds of food and from where does food come from. Okay? Tomorrow I will tell you something else, more about food we eat. Okay children? Okay then.